Asuntoskäyttö Heinolan Joutsenharju. Harjukatu 11, not 18.
18.
Yeah.
Built in 1917. Symbols PS 5477 in Heinola, Lahti region of Finland. Because these were
Yeah.
Yes. Or, okay, there was a basement fortress.
No. Yeah, there was.
I forgot. But,
Yeah, it just with them.
yeah, but they are not opening yet. Yeah, today was the 14th of July 2025.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Istuttiin paikkivain, mutta nyt me eteenpäin Suomen hissirakointiin.
Mm-hmm.
This outer was maintained 10 minutes ago.
Oh. Okay. Well, luckily it's still original.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching. The copper one.
Yeah. That's